Hello and welcome back to the Life of Pierre channel. If you are new here, welcome. And if you are a returning viewer and find this channel valuable, please click the subscribe button and share this to your friends and family. Thank you for the huge favor and God bless. Today, manonood tayo ng bird show at mamamangha sa mga talent and skills nila at sisilip sa 360 degrees acrylic aquarium mamaya. Thank God, we have just arrived on the amphitheater just before the show will start. Pinili naming maupo sa harapan para makita ang mga ibon sa malapitan. We are excited to see the birds and watch their skills and talents. Let's go!
It's showtime! So ladies and gentlemen, let's all welcome our flag racing group, Bandit. So that is our viewing motto. This bird can be found in woodland and forest, and northern and central South of America. So here we go, folks. Our show is just started. So welcome to flag racing group, Bandit. So hello everyone, maayong uto and welcome to Cebu Ocean Park Amphitheater. So I am Jesse, your host for today. So our next featured bird is just like any best friends. But sometimes best friends can be competitive too, right? So let's meet Blue and Azul. So today they will battle who's the best in the basketball game. So this is Blue and this is Azul. So before we start our friendly battle, I will divide you guys into two groups. So boys, you cheer for Blue. Come on boys, say, go Blue, go Blue. For the girls, you cheer for Azul. Come on girls, say, go Azul, go Azul. So are you guys ready for the basketball game? Oh, ready for energy? Are you guys ready? Alright, birds ready. Trainers ready. Set, go. Let's go first. So first, ball for both birds. Second one to Blue. Followed by Azul. And Blue wins this round. Go Blue. It's alright, Azul. So in the Irish, you lose this round. What can you say?
Only trainer knows we want another race.
She wanted another race now.
Are you sure about that? Do you want to lose again?
Sheesh, my man.
Well, this time we're going to see what Azul and I will win.
So what race in your mind?
Let's do a ring race. So the mechanics of this game, the first bird you can drop all three rings into the pool. The fastest is the winner. That is a ring race.
So our race shall be. Remember girls that boys are all So as you notice, our birds are parrot because parrots are very intelligent, charismatic, and musically inclined. Lamang mga ulo.
Mga 21 na siya. Adult. Izom ning izom. Madagit.
So ma'am, any last word to say before we continue? Ma'am, never happened, ma'am. Don't move or swing your arm. Now let's go in. Our monitor, move. Move. Nice. Over. Grabs the money and that's the blue. Here you go. Donate your money. Ay, ma'am, are you okay with donating your money? You're okay, ma'am. How about second on this time? Bigger amount, 500 peso na to. It's a part of our show, ma'am. We will pay you money before that. No one's a picture for you for souvenir. Please, there and follow cleaner rules and instruction. Give me your best pose and smile together. Monitor, move.
Gusto diba?
I know you see my again. Please follow Coca-Cola. He give you a pancake puppy for free. So around us, we're volunteer and monitor, move. So this time, we introduce you our two kinds of parrot here in Cebu Ocean Park. First is our green-winged macaw bandit and blue and gold macaw goldie. A friendly reminder, stage one of you. If the birds and trainer will roam around, please do not try to touch or grab the feathers of the bird because it will threaten and they will bite you. Especially kids, ayaw lang ikapang mga birds kaya pamaak na sila. Now, let's go in bandit and goldie. So within the rose is bandit, within the Irish is goldie. So let's start. In your right is our green macaw bandit. As you can see, it's covered with red plumage. The wings and head are blue and green. His white-headed face striped with small red feathers. So bandit's scientific name is Arapurus. So bandit, sila ito. Everyone say hi.
Hi.
Understand po? Hello. Next is our blue and gold macaw goldie. Blue and gold macaw has a beautiful shade of blue in its back. A solid yellow from inner wings and belly. Your eyes and beaks are solid black. This bird can be found in Peru, Brazil, and Paraguay. But here in Cebu Ocean Park, we have three blue and gold macaw. Earlier doing basketball, macaw si blue and azul. So later namin sa namin segment ni Goldie. FC Nanet mag-have si Goldie mag-flex iyang wings. So flex wings, Goldie. So Goldie said these are our run. So bandit and Goldie can live up to 60 to 70 years old. So lastly, do you know, parrots are monogamous, meaning they can only live one partner for their entire lifetime. Sana all. So that's it. Our two kinds of parrot here in Cebu Ocean Park. Our green-winged macaw bandit and blue and gold macaw goldie.
Kamusta na si Marian dyan? Ito nag-fly.
Ano po siya mo? Ano?
So who knows this game is a gold shaped box puzzle? Now let's go in Bandit to show us how to play this game. Let's go Bandit. So target for the intelligent and perceptives to enhance their skills so they won't get bored. In the one they use their intelligence to find food or nest. Intelligent na for Bandit.
Naka-outfit pa din siya. Apa?
So here an object which is a ball. I will have this one of these silver cup. As you can see, they are all empty. We're nice to look at mga cup. So guys, we're going to hide this ball in your left, in your right, or in the middle. Left, right, middle. Other left, right, middle. Middle, right.
Middle.
From you. Left, right, middle.
Middle.
This one up here. Now let's go in. Our second bird, Goldie. So guys, do you think Goldie can find a hidden object? Let's see. Yes, let me hear you cheer. You can do it, Goldie. So Goldie find a hidden object. So Goldie searching, scanning, snap.
Okay, siya mapapala niya po.
Oh, she's sensing something. And
I left.
she found it! So our second bird, Goldie. So earlier we showed you two kinds of parrot. Now we introduce you our cockatoo. These birds are recognizable because of their crest and curved bill. The only 21 living species of cockatoo in entire globe, but here in Cebu Ocean Park we have three. First is our sulfur-crested cockatoo pretty, our umbrella cockatoo Nigel, and lastly our Lulupian cockatoo Snow. Again, a friendly reminders, if the birds and crater will move around, please do not try to touch or grab the birds. Now let's go in Snow, Pitty, and Nigel.
Kakatsu?
So that is Snow, this is Pitty, and that is Nigel.
Bagukanta ba?
So let's start. Here with me is our sulfur-crested cockatoo Pitty. This bird can from habitat of birds of tropical and subtropical rainforest. Is currently white with black beaks and sulfur yellow crest. So ang crest kaming kaso ng head na yellow. And yellow wings. Next is our umbrella cockatoo Nigel, also known as the great white-crested cockatoo. This bird is usable among the white cockatoo because the holy white crest is like umbrella, white-colored feathers. This classified as the biggest among the white cockatoo. So in general, cockatoo raise their crest by communicating or mood, whether sweating, happy, or in meeting. As you can hear, cockatoo are very loud. They can mimic any sound. If you ask me, this bird can talk. Yes, one bird na mga is kuya. Kasi kung pero mamimik na kuya. Kasi kung communicate behavior. So people can just live up to 40 years old, while snow can live up to 60 to 70 years old. So that's it. Our three kinds of cockatoo here in Cebu Ocean Park: Snow, Pitty, and Nigel.
Yeah.
Mathematics wala na. You believe birds can do math? So today you'll be baffled and amazed, even as trainer. So before we call our math teacher, give me two numbers between 1 to 20. Again, give me two numbers between 1 to 20. So first number.
7.
Other. What? 7. So second number.
11.
Well,
Ah,
so our rotation is 7 plus 12. So before I call our math teacher, I will shuffle this number first.
Ano makabasa sa number? Right, no? Saan mo nalagyan?
Now the number has been shuffled. Now let's call in our math wizard, Snow. Snow again is our Molupian Kakatu. So Snow, your equation is 7 plus 12. So ato sa katagan si trainer o si Snow na mag-study. Tanawon na to if nagdoon paguli pagkagabi. So trainer, okay na mag-study. So Snow, give me the first number. Snow grabs number 1. So the first number correct? Yes, does Snow finish your answer? So 7 plus 12 is equal to 19. So our applause for math wizard, Snow. So nagtuon today ang buka. Now, we introduce you our deaf friend from the colorful parrots earlier. They're called birds of prey or rapper, meaning to seize or take by force. They are only 441 living species of rappers in entire globe, but here in Cebu Ocean Park we have 2. Eagle Freddy. So I request everyone to settle down and no one will roam around, especially kids. Again, I want everyone to settle down and no one will roam around. If the birds will fly over you, please do not try to catch them. And please move lang ka sa side ang mag-sit sa center stairs. Again, move lang ka side your mind. Everyone's ready? First up, running right, down. Scientifically known as Elastor indus. This bird is a habitat of wetland. Can be found in Southeast Asia, Australia, and India. In Australia, they're called dusty eagle. But here in the Philippines, they're called banog or lawi in Visayan
Oh,
region.
banog, tama. Ay, galing ako ng banog, ay.
So that's it. A very kind. If familiar mga bird, mga ang bird na show sa logo ni Kuya Kim na matang lawi. And a birds of prey, female eagle are larger than young head because of their nesting position. Next is our Philippine serpent eagle, Freddy.
Wait lang yan. Lumapad siya. Tara.
Philippine serpent eagle will be found on the major island of the Philippines. This bird prepare a habitat of rainforest and woodland.
Tara na. Ay, balik.
So, familiar mo nga nung isa ka si Credidia kay nahadlok siya. Next, I request everyone to settle down. If the birds and trainer will roam around, please do not try to touch this bird because this bird is under training. Again, do not touch this bird because this bird is under training. Now, let's go in. Our Philippine Rufus Hornbill. Philippine Rufus Hornbill, also known as Southern Rufus
Tama na to nasa
Hornbill.
Bohol, Hornbill.
This bird is their habitat of rainforest and we found in Mindanao area. This bird is omnivorous. They eat meat, insects, and fruits. Tawag sila from Bangkok, where they breed and nest. They have special magnetic reception, meaning they earth magnetic field to find direction, altitude, and individuals and matters. So here is the ocean, but usually there is both. Philippine offers the land, air, and water. So almost that we are seeing proper waste disposal to reduce, reuse, and
Recycle!
recycle. Now let's go in again our bird to show us how to proper waste disposal. So sadly, a lot of animals today are struggling in the wild because of proper waste disposal and pollution. So please keep your mind to reduce waste, reuse plastics, and recycle everything we can. So if you can do it, so can we. So before we end our show, I invite everyone to come down the stage and take for a picture with our lovely bird for souvenir. Again, pwede mo mawala sa stage, kami mo puput sa bird and picture at mo. But picture will taking our official photographer right over there. So that's it. I will acknowledge and birds and trainer to show possible today. With their Gray and Christy out there as a DJ, Trainer Irish with Blue, Trainer Rose in the back with the homing pigeon. And then I am Jesse, your host for today. Thank you for watching and goodbye!
Ang gagaling ng mga ibon, di ba? At pati na rin ang mga trainers and handlers nila. Amazing talaga ang Panginoon. Sa ating next episode, let's experience and be amazed of the 360 degrees acrylic aquarium. Let's explore the aquatic world without getting wet. See you in our next episode. Thank you for watching and God bless.